Now, we will prepare the diver with his main equipment in preparation for descending into the sea and starting the underwater welding process. Underwater welding suit. It is an insulating suit specifically designed to protect the diver from cold. Sponge gloves. Worn under the main gloves, their function is to insulate the hand from any electrical contact or heat and increase comfort while holding welding tools. It provides extra comfort and helmet, a key piece that provides full protection for the head and face. It has special glass that protects the eyes from flashes and sparks, and it original gloves, strong gloves resistant to water, heat, and electricity. Original gloves, strong gloves resistant. Head-mounted light and camera allows the diver to see clearly underwater, while the camera transmits the view to the monitoring team above water. Welding rod, stick welder. The primary tool for air hose, a main tube that delivers air from the cylinder or surface directly to the helmet. Now, after finishing, it's time to learn the basic technique for jumping into the sea. Place your hand on your head and get ready to jump with confidence.